Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Communication 101. And today, we will tackle about the nature of small groups. What is the nature of small groups? The first nature of small group communication is members. At least 5 to 15 members. The ideal number is 5 to 7 members. An odd number is preferred to avoid ties. If there are more than 7 members, the group tends to break up into subgroups. On the other hand, a group of less than 5 may find it difficult to gather enough opinion to solve a problem effectively. The second nature of a small group communication is goal. It has a common goal or purpose. This is the collective or group reason that defines, binds, and directs the members of the group. The third nature of a small group communication is interaction. Members communicate with one another to establish a relationship and to share information that will help them arrive at decisions and solve the problem. The fourth nature of a small group communication is interdependence. Members function as a team. Each one assumes responsibility for doing his part. The success or failure of one is felt by the whole group.
3.
The fifth nature of a small group communication is working. Together as a team, they work to pursue their common goal. They see themselves as a part of the group or a commitment, working toward a common purpose.
Good day, I am Benjamin Casa III and today we will talk about Symposium. Symposium is one of the 8 kinds of open discussion group. It combines instructions and discussions by teachings and learnings. It consists of 3 to 5 experts and B, different panels because each participant has a specific phase of the whole topic. C, each expert should prepare a speech of the topic assigned to him or them. D, participants will be called to participate or ask questions after the symposium or just meeting.
And that's all for today, guys. Please subscribe us for more videos and tutorials. This is Communication 101 signing out.
Taray.